How did a company that started with no money, no factory, and an engine built from leftover scrap metal become the global benchmark for automotive reliability? What secret formula does Honda possess that allows its engines to easily outlive the cars they're in? Why do motorcycle riders, car owners, tuners, and even aviation engineers trust Honda more than brands with far larger budgets? And here's the debate that continues to this day. Is Honda's legendary reliability a result of superior engineering or an unshakable philosophy? Let's break down the story that changed the auto world forever. The humble beginnings. Honda's story doesn't start with luxury, massive factories, or perfected technology. It begins with one man, Soichiro Honda, a dream, and a world recovering from war. Honda never intended to build an empire. He operated on a simple, powerful belief. Machines are great, but machines built with passion are unstoppable. From this belief grew a revolution. Motorcycles that dominated racetracks, cars that refused to die, and engines that became case studies in global engineering textbooks. Before we dive deeper, watch this video till the end to understand the complete evolution. You'll see why Honda's reliability isn't an accident, it's a mindset. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more powerful automotive documentaries, please support us by liking this video, subscribing to CarTech Discovery, and turning on notifications. Your support enables us to bring more in-depth engineering stories like this to life. The scrap engine that started it all. After World War II, Japan lay in ruins. In this challenging environment, Soichiro Honda built his first motorized bicycle by repurposing a small generator engine, originally used for a military radio. Many dismissed his creation, until these modest bikes began outperforming more established machines. This was Honda's foundational moment, proving a core principle. Small doesn't mean weak. Intelligent, resourceful engineering can triumph over expensive, brute force engineering. The philosophy, reliability, is freedom. As motorcycles gained popularity, Honda uncovered a deeper truth. A truly reliable machine grants its user genuine freedom. A machine that never breaks down seamlessly becomes part of their life's fabric. This profound belief that reliability is freedom became the soul of every engine Honda would ever build, racing as a crucible. Honda then took their engineering to the ultimate testing ground, motorsports. Racing forced them to innovate under extreme pressure, leading to breakthroughs in high-revving engine architecture, precision machined components, bulletproof reliability under sustained stress. The technologies and lessons forged on the racetrack were directly translated into their production road cars. The Civic that catapulted Honda to prominence. When the 1970s oil crisis struck, the world desperately needed fuel-efficient and reliable cars. Honda delivered a miracle, the Honda Civic CVCC. In a move that stunned the industry, the CVCC engine met stringent US emission standards without needing an expensive catalytic converter. This engineering marvel cemented Honda's reputation as a global icon of innovation and reliability. The engineering behind the longevity. So, why do Honda engines routinely surpass 300,000 km/h? The answer lies in their core engineering principles. Low-friction internal design for reduced wear, advanced valve timing systems like VTEC, precision machining with extremely tight tolerances, over-engineered and efficient cooling systems, a steadfast focus on optimal power-to-weight ratios, rigorous quality control with multiple validation stages. Honda doesn't just build engines, they build them to last for the long haul. The modern philosophy. Even today, the original mindset persists. Honda's modern reliability is anchored by a relentless focus on real-world durability over short-term specs, keeping engine designs fundamentally simple, efficient, and robust. Manufacturing parts designed to function flawlessly for decades. Relentless testing in the world's most extreme conditions. This is why Honda's cars, motorcycles, and power equipment are renowned for running for years with minimal maintenance. What do you think? Does Honda's legendary reliability stem more from its technical engineering, or from its deeper philosophy of perfection? Which Honda model, in your opinion, best represents their incredible legacy. The pragmatic Civic, the refined Accord, the versatile CR-V, or the legendary Type R. And here's a final thought. Would you trust a Honda engine to power an airplane? Let us know in the comments, because many aviation innovators already do. If this deep dive helped you understand why Honda is a reliability legend, please support our channel. Subscribe to CarTech Discovery for more powerful automotive documentaries. Your support is what keeps us creating high-quality educational content for car enthusiasts worldwide. Thanks for watching.